And since the beginning of this pandemic, we have seen how this virus has disproportionately affected Black and brown communities. And now here we go again with the vaccine rollout. The rollout has laid bare for us the inequities in some of these communities like this one I'm standing in, Corona, Queens.
We believe in having as many vaccination sites as possible, as deeply into communities as possible. That's how we fight disparity. That's how we address the horrible inequities we've seen throughout this crisis.
While the mayor's plan may be well-meaning, new data reveals the racial divide is growing wider. The disparity is stark. The city released statistics showing the vaccine rollout has been anything but equal.
It's profound inequality. It can't be accepted.
Zip codes where residents are mostly white have a much higher vaccination rate than zip codes in Black and brown communities. Some of the dramatic differences: predominantly white City Island with a 26% and Breezy Point with a 27% partial vaccination rate, and the Upper East Side's Lenox Hill 15% fully vaccinated. Then you have primarily Black neighborhoods like East New York, Brooklyn, the South Bronx, and minority-driven Corona, Queens, with a mere 3% of adults have received one dose.
The city has failed the equity test.
The mayor pressing the point today: we need much more of a supply from the federal government. Much hope is riding on the third vaccine expected to be approved. De Blasio says the city will use the Johnson & Johnson vaccine to inoculate homebound seniors and their health aides.
But there's tens of thousands of seniors who need that direct support in their own home. We're going to be doing that with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
And the Biden administration announced today that it is also going to be bumping up the supply to each state per week. Now, every state will be receiving 13.5 million doses. That is up from 11 million. The White House also announcing that they're doubling the amount to pharmacies, up to 2 million doses per week. We're live in Corona, Queens tonight. I'm Shirley Chan, Pix 11 News.